So the first system we're covering is the hydration system. If you've ordered this, you most likely have dry, damaged, over-processed, gray, frizz. Maybe you have a sensitive scalp or dandruff issues. And yes, so the reason for all those things is because the Renew Shampoo is the most hydrating, so really good for scalp issues, really great for hydration, so for grays or over-damaged hair or coarse hair. This is highly moisturizing, so great for ethnic hair. The reason we tend to not give people this if they have thin hair is because it is the most hydrating, so we don't want to weigh down the hair they do have. So same instructions that was explained in the beginning about shaking and applying the shampoo, so I'm going to skip this. You're putting it in twice, waiting 2 to 3 minutes, just as a reminder. And then the next thing you want to do is apply the Replenish Mask. So this mask is also referred to a voodoo mask on our team. Basically, all you're going to do is stick your thumb in there, and whatever you have on your thumb when it comes out is what you're applying. This is how much I apply to my own hair. I'll start with this, and if I feel like I need a bit more, I'll just apply a little bit more. But less is more once again. So what you're doing with this is you're rubbing it in your hands together and then applying it from the roots to the ends and letting it sit in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. The reason you want this is because the mask is opening up your hair follicle. So your hair follicle is made up of fish-like scales. So once those open up, the mask and all its nutrients are going in there and doing all their goodness. And then for 5 to 10 minutes. But what you want to do, because all those scales are now open, you definitely want to follow up with the conditioner because you want to seal them up. You do not want to leave your hair exposed because you can damage your hair. So this system comes with the Restore Leave-In Conditioner, which is great if you have curls, for humidity. I also apply it on my dry hair, like on day 3, if I just want a little bit of shine and to jazz up my curls. So what you want to do with this system is shaking it up again, and then you apply it in your hands. I think I only do 3. I can't really remember right now, but I would start with 3 and then add more if I need it, of course. And then rub your hands together, and then you're putting it, like I said in the intro, from the ears down. And you that is because it's a leave-in conditioner. This is happening once you've stepped out of the shower, and you could just have run the excess oil water from your hair and then apply that into your hair. If you find that it's too heavy for your hair, you have another option. You could rinse it out as a regular conditioner. So try it out the first way, and if you feel it's too heavy, try it out the second way. I love both, really. I didn't think I would love the leave-in conditioner, and I actually do. So that is your hydration system. And once again, if you have questions, you could always ask the person who initiated you to Monat, or send us a quick email at support@blossomteam.com.